Today we're going to be installing Roush parts on my 2021 Bronco. This is the 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6 engine. Today we have the Roush Axel-back exhaust system that's going on. We also have the Roush air induction system. See some of the parts there. We're going to be installing both of those. If you guys want to stay tuned, let's get to it.
You got it? Wow. So cool. Now you can just let go of it.
Looks pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we just finished installing the Roush Axel-back exhaust system and the cold air intake. Hopefully you guys can tell from the audio here, you know, what it sounds like. It's not gonna be the same as in real life. In real life, I promise, it's way deeper. It's got a nice like rumble to it. It's smooth, it's louder for sure. It sounds really, really good. And it sounds really good inside the cabin as well. It's just got like a nice like low, like, I don't know, just like throaty kind of drone to it. And to me, it's perfect. So hopefully you'll get a chance to hear a Roush system in person and you can kind of make that judgment for yourself. But if not, hopefully this video helps kind of make that decision for you if that's the right sound for you. But anyway, we appreciate Roush hooking us up with the stuff. And hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it has, would you like and subscribe, and then just drop a comment, let me know what else you want to see. We've got a lot of things planned for this build, so we'll be doing more videos over time. And yeah, so that's it. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you around. Thanks.